The dining room is one of my favorite places to gather with friends and family and enjoy a great meal. Today, I'm going to give you some helpful tips on how to make your space stylish, functional, and inviting. To begin styling your dining room, you need to choose the style and shape of your table. There are 3 main table shape options: round, rectangle, and oval. Oval is more traditional, while round and rectangle can vary in style depending on the table base. Next, you need to select the appropriate size table for your space. When choosing this, determine how many people you'd like to accommodate, keeping in mind the other pieces in the room and their function. A general rule when picking a table size is making sure you have enough space for people to get up from the table and comfortably walk behind the other chairs. Now you need to add your seating. There are side chairs, armchairs, and even benches to choose from. Typically, armchairs go on the ends of your table, while side chairs and benches go on either side. When placing the seating around your table, make sure that they stay on the rug when fully extended. Finish styling your dining room with decor to really bring the room to life. Display your dishes and serving pieces in a china cabinet or decorate the top of your buffet with lamps and a mirror. Finish styling your dining room with decor to really bring the room to life.